Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope that you have banked amazing profit. Today was amazing volatility. I think that's because of the FOMC. Most of my traders bank 100 plus pips. Today I'm going to give you a little bit more detail about intraday price action, how we analyze it through the based on the 4 hour, and how one of my traders bank more than 200 pips just trading few hours during the FOMC meeting and only one pair, just Euro USD. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into three major currency pair: Euro USD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. All right, so if you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the 4 hour chart, yesterday we had the short trade, bank beautiful pips. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free, the video link is given in the video description. As you can see, in 4 hour we have up channel, and yesterday we had a beautiful short trade here from after this candle at the Asian session. We were long from here, so we have banked all these pips in intraday. And at the FOMC meeting, we just before the FOMC meeting, we were short here. As soon as the price respected this resistance level, we were short here, bank beautiful pips. And once the price respected, we also had a long trade here. Now I'm going to explain to you all these trades, analysis in intraday, entries and exit. And let's dig into the intraday analysis, and let me make it slightly bigger, guys. So let me share with you from okay, so this is the analysis from the Asian session. As you can see here, price reverse and explain to my trade, look for this breakout, because we were expecting a price might gonna pull back, but price break. And as always mentioned, train my trader, if the price gonna break this level, we're going to take a long trade here and pull back as well. As you can see here, this was the analysis at the Asian session. Beautiful long trade here. Once we bank some profit, and at the London morning, once the price reverse and explain to my trader, as you can see in more details through live analysis, that the price respected here. If the price gonna break, then short, otherwise long here. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price profit target hit, explain to my trader, you can enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And after banking some pips, again explain to my trader, as always, look for another pullback. We have 1, 2, third touch, and looking first priority pullback long. As you can see, momentum was bullish, beautiful pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the target, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And after then wait for another pullback. As you can see here, I mention again, banking some profit and keep in all, as soon as the price develop another pattern, we broadcast that information instantly. Another pullback, target hit, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. As you can see here, technically price develop up channel, so explain to my trader, bank some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback. Right, so after that, you can see here price came back here again, so we were expecting a pullback. So right now explain, there's a possibility of short trade here. If the price gonna break this level, then we long here, break this one, short. This is the New York session analysis, by the way. We have this breakout as soon as the price hit to the level, and that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if you can get another pullback. As you can see, we have an impulsive reversal, so we explained to trader, this is the false breakout. Also, if the price gonna break, long here. If the price gonna break, then possibility of short trade here. As you can see here, price nicely respected here. You can see after the breakout, price retest. That's the confirmation. We have breakout short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support level previously and 200 EMA in intraday, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see what sort of pattern is going to develop. As you can see here, price nicely reversed, and then I did another analysis, and that was basically the New York session. Explained to my trader, now we have this profit, so technically price broken, we're looking at pullback. And if the price gonna stay below this level, as you can see here, the price nicely hit to the sub resistance level and pull back, and keep taking a pullback, and also the breakout. So we announce all these pullbacks through live video commentary. If you look at the momentum was developed bearish, we have this breakout pullback, as you can see here. After that, another pullback, we have breakout, after the breakout, another pullback, another pullback. So as soon as the price hit to the support level, and also in a 4 hour, at this level, and that's what I explained to my trader. There's a possibility we should be banking some profit. Let's see what sort of market is going to develop patterns. As you can see here, price develop another falling wedge. That's the sign of a reversal. As you can see here, sort of like price develop another triple bottom here at the support level. Price broken, price momentum was developed bullish, and pullback. One breakout, second pullback, third pullback, fourth pullback. That's what we explained to my trader. Just keep enjoying it. As you can see here in the morning, we have a long, short, and long here, and all these trades is well explained based on the price action, based on the price pattern. And once the price hit this target, I said to my trader, it's time for me to finish and keep enjoying profit. You can see here we have an amazing trade. All right, so you can see one of my traders bank 200 pips. As you can see, 208 pips, and all these pips are 100% based on the analysis. As you can see, 35 pips 3-4 time. As you can see here, that's again that based on the analysis I just mentioned you, that price develop you know, head and shoulder pattern. This was the analysis I just mentioned you. We have taken a short trade here, and he was keep taking a pullback short trade here and banking some profit. And once the FOMC news release, he just keep taking it. Even if you look at the last trade, he has taken it, pullback, pullback, pullback. He's keep taking it, banking in some profit, and within a few hours he made a 208 pips, and he said job is done. So you can see, guys, all these trades are 100% based on the analysis, which is I just mentioned to you guys. Okay, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar again, we had amazing trade, guys. If you look at we were long here and banks beautiful pips, and afterwards price nicely reversed, and we have also taken a short trade here. We also taken a long trade, exactly like EURUSD. As you can see here, price was up channel has been developed. So let me share with you all the intraday analysis quickly, guys. We had amazing day, guys, today. Amazing, as you can see here. All right, so if you look at this was the analysis we did as soon as the price respected at the support level in 4 hour last night at the Asian session. This was the analysis, guys. You can see here price nicely broken and pulled back, bank few pp's, and afterwards price develop another pattern, beautiful breakout, long trade here, bank beautiful pips, and then afterwards, as you can see here, after this one, once we bank some profit, and let's wait for another pattern, price develop another pattern, another breakout, beautiful long trade here, guys. And afterwards, once the price develop a false breakout, as you can see here, exactly like EURUSD, I explained to metal, watch this level. If the price is going to develop another here pullback, so we will consider head and shoulder pattern, then keep taking a pullback. So you can see here price respected here, develop head and shoulder pattern, reverse, and then every time when the price come here, as explained to my trader through live audio commentary, keep taking a pullback short trade here until the FOMC news. We can see here this one, another short trade here after the FOMC, explained to my trader, keep taking all pullbacks. So we have taken all these pullbacks in 4 hour based on the FOMC meeting. Once the price develop another pattern, as you can see here, price respected and develop another falling wedge. That's the sign. And price also hit at the support level in 4 hour. As you can see here, afterwards, beautiful breakout, pullback, and pullback. As you can see here, even in 4 hour, we have seen the rejection and amazing profit. You can see once the price target hit, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy profit, guys. All right, so dollar CAD, we have amazing trade, guys. Amazing trade, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we were short from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, watch that video. I have explained that we were short from here. We have banked amazing profit. Even today morning, as you can see here, once the price developed bearish engulfing candle, we were short here, bank beautiful pips, and as soon as the price hit to the support level, we have a long trade here, bank beautiful pips and FOMC meeting. Then once the price reject at this level, we have taken a short trade here and bank beautiful pips. So let me explain to you guys exactly like EURUSD and pound dollar how we did it, how we analyze market. Today was an amazing day, guys. We really enjoyed it. Once we have this type of movement, it's time to squeeze as much as pips. All right, so if you look at this is the analysis I did at the Asian session, explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. We have very strong bearish momentum and the trend in intraday. As you can see, explained to my trader, if the price is going to touch this orange EMA, as you can see here, price nicely touch and beautiful short trade here. And even in a London morning, that's what explained my trader was expecting that price might going to reverse. That's in a live training. I give information, look at how the price behave, and based on the previous price action, we expecting that's for first priority. As explained, price, if the price is going to respect, then we are taking a short trade here. We're only going to consider counter long if the price gonna break and retest. Otherwise, short. As you can see here, nice pullback short, another short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the 4-hour major support level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see if the market develop another pattern. And at the New York session, price develop another correction. I explained to my trader, as mentioned, that if the price gonna break the previous high, then we're looking here. So price develop another pattern. We were expecting price might gonna break this level, but as I said to you, our policy, trade what you see it, not what you think. So we have this beautiful breakout, and afterwards we have another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, that's what I explained to my trader, let's enjoy some profit and let's wait to market to develop another pattern. Just before FOMC meeting, explained to my trader, as momentum is bullish, we can see here the price respected at the major support level, possibility of long. So breakout long here, then pullback. We announce all this pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, at this level in 4-hour, explain to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if we can get another pullback or another pattern. As you can see here, we have an impulsive, reversal. But as I said to you guys, patience and discipline is the key. So let the market develop. So once the market develop this pattern, as I explained to my trader, look here, the price respected previously and is broken, right? So after this break, if the price is going to retest and break this level, then I'm expecting a short trade here. So then we're looking at short trade, which is exactly happened here. As soon as the price hit first and the final target, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, as you know that how we analyze the market in 4-hour, how we analyze entries and exit in intraday, and banking profit every single day. So as always mentioned to you guys that you should be watching those analyses in real time. That's the interesting part of it, and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, trust me, the only way and the best way to learn forex trading in a real-time trading environment through live intraday analysis with a live audio commentary support, so you can learn it in real time, how the market structure, how the market behavior, and the time factor, all these things you're going to learn in real time. And you can practice in the real time at the same time, and you get the feedback on all of your trades. And once you develop your trading skill, I can also help you to get funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So guys, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.